Hey there, beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have something exciting to share with you all. 3 amazing homemade natural skincare products that you must try. These DIY remedies are not only fun to make but also great for your skin. So, let's dive right in. 1. Refreshing Cucumber Face Mask. Our first natural skincare gem is a refreshing cucumber face mask. Here's what you'll need: a cucumber, a blender or food processor, a mixing bowl, plain yogurt, fresh mint leaves. Step 1. Slice the cucumber and put it in the blender. Blend until smooth. Step 2. Transfer the cucumber puree into a mixing bowl. Step 3. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt to the cucumber puree. This will help moisturize your skin. Step 4. Crush a few fresh mint leaves and add them to the mixture. Mint leaves provide a refreshing aroma and have a soothing effect on the skin. Mix everything well and voila! Your homemade cucumber face mask is ready to go. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Your skin will thank you for this cooling and rejuvenating treat. 2. Nourishing Honey and Oatmeal Scrub. Moving on to our second natural skincare superstar, a Nourishing Honey and Oatmeal Scrub. Let's gather the ingredients: oatmeal, honey, coconut oil, a small container or jar. Step 1. Take half a cup of oatmeal and grind it to a fine powder. This will gently exfoliate your skin. Step 2. In a separate bowl, add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps lock in moisture. If you have dry skin, you can add a teaspoon of coconut oil for extra nourishment. Mix all the ingredients together. Transfer the mixture to a small container or jar, and there you have it, your homemade honey and oatmeal scrub. Use it to gently exfoliate your skin twice a week for a smooth and glowing complexion. 3. Soothing Aloe Vera Gel. Last but certainly not least, we have a soothing aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a miracle plant with numerous benefits for the skin. Here's how to make your own aloe vera gel: an aloe vera leaf, a sharp knife, a spoon, a blender or food processor, a small container or jar. Step 1. Cut open the aloe vera leaf lengthwise with a sharp knife. Step 2. Scoop out the gel from the leaf using a spoon. Be careful not to include any yellow parts, as they can cause skin irritation. Step 3. Transfer the gel into a blender or food processor. Blend it for a few seconds until it becomes smooth. Step 4. Pour the aloe vera gel into a small container or jar. It's as simple as that. Use this homemade aloe vera gel as a soothing moisturizer, a spot treatment for acne or sunburn, or even as a hair mask for added hydration. Apply a thin layer to the desired areas and let it absorb into the skin. And there you have it, 3 fantastic homemade natural skincare products that you must try. Not only are they cost-effective, but they are also free from harsh chemicals that can sometimes irritate the skin. Plus, the process of making them is fun and rewarding. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's important to do a patch test before using any new products. Also, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Incorporate these natural remedies into your routine and give your skin the love it deserves.